Hello and welcome back to Hygge House. Today we'll take a look at this cottage that shows how to make the best of a small space. Here is a cottage that will give you a big surprise when you see the photos of the interior. This cottage, called Pure Honey in Columbus, Ohio, is a perfect example of how much can be done with a smaller house. If you bring good design concepts into a smaller space like this, you can really make good use of the square footage. From the outside, this charming little cottage doesn't look to be more than maybe 600 square feet or so. But when you see inside, you might have to do a double take. The interior is designed with modern design concepts in mind, with a super open floor plan that flows nicely. This is what really makes the house seem larger than it is and brings the space to life. This home looks like it was probably a wartime house from the early 1900s, the kind of home that was built around the time when people didn't have a lot of money to spend on larger homes. The house seems to have been a flip project, where people will purchase a home and renovate it and then put it back on the market, new and improved, and make a decent amount off of it. In this case, there was a lot of improvement that went into this home. One thing that you notice right away is the upper loft area that has been transformed into a bedroom. The upper area of the home may have only been attic space beforehand, but the buyers made use of the extra space and took advantage of it by adding this loft and showcasing it as a bedroom. It would work wonderfully as an office as well. They left the brick wall exposed, which offers a great design feature that we are seeing designers do more often in remodels. People are leaving the bones of the building exposed, and it looks really stylish, giving the home a cool industrial vibe. It also honors the bones of the building in the old-fashioned way things used to be built. They have also left the beams in the ceiling of the kitchen area exposed, which adds more height to the kitchen area while adding some interest. They finished the beams off nicely by adding some subtle pot lights into them for a nice lighting effect. The kitchen is very spacious with so much counter and cabinet space, a dishwasher, stove, and a refrigerator. There is also a bedroom on the main floor, as well as a laundry room with stacked washer and dryer units. The bedroom is nice and large with lots of space for a dresser or a freestanding closet. The bathroom is a nice size as well, and is outfitted with very sleek and stylish finishings, with a nice pedestal sink and great tiles for the bathtub and shower area. The other nice feature is the skylights they have put in throughout the ceiling of the home. They really bring in a lot of great light into this space. This would be a great bachelor pad or a nice house for a couple to live in full time. The yard has so much potential, and a garden could be planted and a new deck could be built. It just shows how much potential these small homes and cottages have to become cozy, modern spaces. And if you like this video, consider dropping a like. It really helps this channel to grow. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to this channel. We're going to be featuring new homes every single day, from log homes to tiny homes to vacation homes and other inspiring home ideas. I hope you have a great day, and I hope to see everybody in the next video.